Hey guys, Sean James here from Triple9 Capital. Last night I was on the Wall Street Silver thread on Reddit, and an interesting title came up. It said, "Why did silver die?" And I actually want to explore that a little bit more in today's episode. So, if you didn't know, silver was actually used as a form of currency for plenty of centuries in almost every country in the world, from USA to Canada to China, India, Great Britain, you name it. And in a lot of these countries, it was actually more popular than gold. In fact, in the USA, in 1792, the Coinage Act, silver became so popular that people started to give out silver certificates. And so, for the longest time, USD, the American dollar, was backed by silver and not gold. So what happened then? Well, during the 1893, there was the Silver Act, and what happened was that a lot of the silver, it started to become hard to get, hard to obtain. And what did people do in any kind of economic situation like this? They started to hoard all the silver. This effectively decreased the value of gold. So what happened then, in 1893, like I mentioned, there was this whole act that was initiated, and it led to the creation of the Gold Standard Act of 1900, which effectively made all US-based currency based off gold. And instead of the bimetallic metals that they had before, including silver and gold, all money was supposed to be flowed in through the gold standard. But the same thing that happened to silver in 1893 would soon happen to gold. Because during the 1930s, the Great Depression happened. And Franklin D. Roosevelt, FDR, as he's nicknamed, he was the president during that time. And what he did, what he found, is because the whole economic situation at the time, people started to hoard all the gold, which made the dollar, the American dollar, effectively useless. And because, as mentioned in my previous videos, FDR was a big believer in Keynesian economic theory. And what this theory stated, that was the best way to fight off a depression, was to inflate the money supply. So he told banks to stop lending out gold, and people start to hoard all of it, right? The Federal Reserve, what they did, FDR's act would give them complete authority of all the gold in USA. And that's what happened today. So because of FDR's actions and also President Nixon in 1971, all money became fiat-based, where the Federal Reserve can just print money out at a whim to be lent out to you guys at an interest rate. I know it sounds completely like a scam, right? And that's essentially what fiat currency is. It's a whole giant scam. But luckily for you, silver is starting to make a lot of headway. If you've been following the trends at all, you'll see that silver investment demand keeps growing, but the supply is shrinking. Which means that's a great melting pot and a great steaming brew for silver to jack up the prices. Which means, for all you silver investors out there, that's a big bonus for you. But what we're doing at Triple9 Capital is, by the end of August, early September, we're looking to open up the first ever silver bank. And what we're doing, we're lending out loans at a very low interest rate. With some loans, there's going to be a premium attached, with others, no. But also, if you want to open an account with us, it's just $500 is the minimum deposit. And we also give you a 3% annual return. And here's the best part, if you're one of the lucky 100 to sign up an account with us first, you get a free American or Canadian silver dollar on us. So if you're interested, click the link down below in the descriptions to join our mailing list, turn on your notification bell, and hit that subscribe button, because I'm going to keep pumping these videos out, hopefully every day for a couple months until things settle down. Because I love silver, I know you do too, so keep watching this channel to get all the silver updates, all the silver news, and everything about silver. Silver, it's going to make us some winning gains. I'll see you in the next video.